Okay, so basically I managed to screw this part of crank removal tool till the end, and what I will do now, I'll need to screw in this part of crank removal tool till the end and try to basically extract this crank from the spindle, from the axle of the bottom bracket. First it turns very easily, but eventually I will need to use some force with the wrench. Okay, now it's the moment, it's the time. First it turns pretty smoothly. Okay, now need to use some force. Not yet. Okay, that's the time. I'll need to hold it, or I'll just put it like that.